Did you even know that merely clicking on emojis may make you money? I'm sure you'd know what emojis are and how they appear. And you can get up to $200 every day by using them. To generate pay straight to your account, all you must do is click on emojis. Envision clicking on one emoji and making $3. The more emojis you have, the more possibilities of making big money. Keep in mind that it is indeed a fully free service that you can use on your phone or your PC. Whether you have either of these, just follow along with me since I will tell you how to do this in a minute. I'll share with you how to sign up and activate your account, and I'll walk you through some kind of actual situations so you know how to do it appropriately. I'll also give you a lot of additional ideas on how to use it excellently and earn an additional $500. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. The very first step is to go to the flaticon.com website, where you may generate income by clicking on emojis on their webpage. They offer nearly 3 million graphic icons, along with a huge number of emojis, which are all free to download. If I browse down this page, you'll see that we can use them to earn a lot of money online. And so you can make money in 2 different ways right now by simply pressing on the emojis. And I'll illustrate the first strategy, then at the end of the video, I'll show the second strategy. For the first strategy, go to the top of the webpage and click on Become a Contributor. And you'll be directed to a flat icon page in which you might become a contributor by simply uploading and distributing emojis and being paid for it. The 3 simple steps are as follows. The first thing is to sign up for a free account, where I'll walk you through shortly. Step 2 is to upload and publish your top icon packs that should contain emojis. To get going, click this button and you'll be led to this site that you can register for a free account. Anyone from everywhere in the world may deal on this website, so just input your username, email address, and password on this page, then press the register button. After that, go to the page that says we're almost done and read all of the terms and conditions prior to actually clicking the green button to acknowledge them. Once you've accomplished step 1, you can move to the next step, which is to generate your profile and generate income. The first step is to input your profile picture, which you can do by having to click the Browse button right over here and browse to provide extra information about yourself. You can also add a public username if ever you want. Before that, let me know in what country you are from. Comment it down below so we know what content works best in your country. Before you start uploading different photographs in order to gain a large number of hits and money, we highly suggest you review the Creator's Handbook. You may use this button to connect to a platform where you can read additional guidelines. You must do it, but I'll teach you how to use it fast in this video. When you select the dashboard link, you'll be directed to this site, where you can see your username at the top, however many emojis and icon packs you've previously contributed, and your everyday revenues as you scroll down. Now we're trying to obtain a large amount of free emojis, which we can then post on our website and income from. So go back to flaticon.com and keep scrolling to the very bottom of the page to this link, which could take you to a pattern generator from which you can download and install flat icon software that allows users to create a variety of designs and styles using various emojis. All you'll have to do is to click on the Try It Now button, which will take you to a pattern generator. From there, you can download free flat icon software. This is a completely free service that you can use on your desktop or smartphone from anywhere in the world. You can then proceed to step 1, which is desperately looking for and finding your preferred icon or emojis. Right now, under the icon section, if you are into this icon, simply click on it and it will show up on your device. Now you may then click and drag the dashboard to anywhere you want it, modify its size, and rotate it. There seems to be numerous icons and layouts to pick from. As you go any further, you can click to the Packs button and check through each of the various emojis and interesting pictures that you may use in your work. Come back to emojis and select on them and choose from a wide range of emojis to be used in your design. Then do it all over again as shown. You can also choose out of a wide assortment of background colors from your general populist design beneath this icon in the background. And if you like this pink layout, for instance, you can simply hit on it and it will show up on your canvas. It's very easy to do and it does not involve any prior technical expertise. Once you finish making, all you have to do is click on it. Make sure you follow all of the procedures in this video, and once you've chosen a PNG file, I recommend using 1000 pixels for the power size. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. Since you've chosen your format and size, all you have to do is select this button right here to download the designs. All I really have to do is upload it and begin generating money. Again, I'd like to give you one more piece of advice. When you've finished designing your emojis and downloaded them to your phone or computer, return to the flat icon contributor and click on the search button right here, as well as the random patterns button right here. And the software will assist you in creating some random patterns that are typically quite unprofessional. If you want to see the next set of random designs, simply click on this button again and it will turn and display a variety of random patterns. As promised, it will be put to this page. Meanwhile, I'll teach you a second option to make online money by going to Fiverr.com. There are many opportunities available on the site, including graphic design, text, video, and animation. As you can see, there are many ways to make money, but I would like you to focus on graphic design in this video. When I click on this button, it takes myself to the art and illustration subcategory. Now, I'd like you to take a good look at this pattern because it's a completely new classification. It's your opportunity to make money online with no stress. Simply tap this link to go to the pattern design. Start by looking at these examples of what we're doing with the free flat icon software by creating new patterns and creating money in the same way again and again for a service that entices people. Do not even worry because individuals here charge and offer prices differently. If you're on this page and click on the seller right here, you'll even see she charges between $60 and $30. What's more startling is that she's up against virtually no one. Examine the 300 assignments who've already sold out to discover who the best sellers are and how they did it. For instance, each piece costs between $8 and $25, and she has already generated around $6,000 on Fiverr by just producing new designs, which, as you'll see, is something you can do yourselves using free flat icon software. It's pretty simple to achieve this by just inserting the symbol in the appropriate location and altering the background color. In fact, a great number of individuals are already doing so. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below.